Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of our temporary solar setup. So the two on the end are 100 and the ones in the middle are 80. We have three different Jackery batteries. We have two that came with the middle two, and I'm sorry, one that came with the middle two. That was our original set. And then we got another set, which are the two solar panels on the outside, plus another battery. And then we got a third battery that has more of an inverter in it so that it can take surges so you can run appliances on it. The newer panels that we got actually have this really neat feature. I don't know if you could see it there, but it's a target. So you can line up your solar panels to make sure that they're aligned properly with the sun so you get the maximum solar capacity out of it. The new ones also came with this little inverter on them here, so you could directly charge USB, USC, USA, I think. No, USB, USC. And then this is the power bank. I believe this is the original one that we had. So you can see it's a Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro. It typically takes about 4 hours for this to charge up with the two 100 watt and the two 80 watt that we have. And you can see there the input right now is 36 watts, 37 going up, but the sun is just coming up now. So one thing I always like to tell people is they're like, oh, well, why do you have that over it? It's an old car visor. You want to keep your battery in the shade just to make sure that you have long battery life. We use about one of these a day, and that's to run LED lighting, also to run internet through Starlink, and charge up things like tool batteries and computers and those types of things. So between the two batteries, it meets all of our needs. The only reason why we have the third one is because I want to run things like a stand mixer or Instapot or my espresso machine. Then I need something that has a little bit more oomph in it that could take that initial surge of those appliances. If you have any questions about this setup or have any suggestions for how we can improve it, please let me know, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.